guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Mafi Purple Yoki guys. Today's video guys ay aalis tayo. So samahan nyo ako. Pupunta tayo ng Kent. Bibisita ako doon sa aking friends. So today guys ay napaka hindi naman masyadong malamig. So pero weekday guys, ayan basa yung mga floor. So let's go. Ayan na nga guys, ayan maulan ngayong araw guys. So maglakad tayo at kukuha tayo ng bus going to Charing Cross. Then I think it's 45 minutes from here to train station. Then from train station going to Kent is fast train, and fast train is about 35 minutes. So ayan guys, dito na yung bus na. Oh, what's happened? It's diversion. Gaganda ng mga sasakyan nila. Wow. Yes, saan na kayo? Oh, dito pala yung ano nyo. Maganda dito darling pag summer. Dito. Sige. Wow, kakain kami ng wow. Aray ko, ang init. Hello guys, welcome to Downton Green, 7 Oaks. So let's go. Pupunta kami doon. Yun na. We're going to the lakes. Matisod ko pa yun. Sa summer Sa summer maganda to.
Rubber shoes.
Ah?
Pag sa summer.
Oo.
Rubber shoes. You know, I will climb that. You know?
Alam mo, nasa Pinas na ako. Laro na kami ganyan.
You know, stop. Say hi.
Hello guys! Welcome to Danton Green. Ano yung mga friend ko? Ayan.